What's up subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. Ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng ZHIYUN Smooth X. Ang X na pwede mong balik-balikan. So what's up subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Vargas and I am currently using the ZHIYUN Smooth X and I am currently tracking my face. And if you're just watching, you can notice that I'm using the screen recording option of the iPhone 11 and you can see the square on my face since I'm tracking it. And that's one of the beauty of ZHIYUN Smooth X. So today, what we will be doing is actually a bag for the ZHIYUN Smooth X, since the one that I ordered, the package that I ordered from ZHIYUN Philippines is just the basic package. They actually have two packages. The basic package, which includes the body of the ZHIYUN Smooth X and a charger, while the other one, the premium package, is the body of the ZHIYUN Smooth X, a bag or a carrying case, and a tripod with it. So before anything else, I would like to thank Nay from the Balloon Invites for giving us this one. It's actually a mug. It's a gift from them. Thank you. It's a thank you to Nay and to Ichan. So, and another one is from Kira, our fellow crafter who made this sticker for us. So if you want one, just send us a message. And another one is Gino and Jet from Division Clothing. I will be posting the links below for the three of them, so you can also check their items. Alright? Thanks! By the way, since I'm still shooting with the ZHIYUN Smooth X, this is the portrait mode, and you can also do the landscape mode with this one. Alright, see? It's so easy. And again, I will be trying to track my face just using this. Alright, there. And I'm not doing anything. So, if I were you, if you are just a new vlogger, or you would like to try mobile filmmaking, Just with your phone, the ZHIYUN Smooth X is a good example or a good choice to make. You can actually get from ZHIYUN Smooth X and ZHIYUN Smooth's official distributor here in the Philippines. It's ZEBIANMNL, which I will also be linking down below. So let's start our bag. By the way, another tip on the ZHIYUN Smooth X body, you can just press the record on and off. Okay guys, so bale gawa na tayo ng bag para dun sa ZHIYUN Smooth X natin. So what we need is this one. This is a 16 by 9 na leather, and bale dalawa, and I already pre-punched yung other side para mas mabilis yung transition natin habang nagtatahi. Bale, yung ituturo natin today is kung paano accurately ma-measure yung dun sa sides para pantay lahat ng tahi natin pagdating dito sa body ng bag natin. Bale, it's a sort of gusset tutorial. And this one is a 60 by 16 na leather, and bale yung parang itsura niya parang ganito, paikot. And this will be a carrying case for the ZHIYUN Smooth X. Tapos lalagyan natin ng clip-on like this, kung saan natin itatahi dito sa likod. Parang ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Para pag nilagay natin sa bag or sa belt natin, mas mabilis natin ma-access yung ZHIYUN Smooth X natin. Since we will be using that gear for our vlog, for on-the-go vlog, and pwede din sa mga ganitong pagkakataan. Okay. Alright, so start na tayo gumawa nung gusset natin. Bale, ito yung gagamitin natin. It's same size with this one. Ito yung gusset natin na 16 by 9 centimeters. So, meron ako dito dating pattern ng parang mini bag, and yun yung gagamitin natin para ma-trace natin yung cut. Kunin mo yung parang pinakagitna niya. And then, get your wing divider and trace mo lang paikot. So, again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and add on our comments kung ano yung gusto ninyong makitang next project natin. And start from the middle, which is this one. And ipapunch natin yung holes paikot dito, and same as with this one, bali pantayin natin yung holes natin. Okay, and then after that, gamitin na natin tong 6-prong puncher hanggang dito sa dulo. Make sure na pantay yung butas. Alright, kakatapos lang natin magbutas nitong gusset. Punta na tayo dito sa parang pinaka-body nung bag natin. We will be punching the 89 holes from here up to here. Bale, I pre-punch na yung para dito sa clip natin para later mas mabilis na tayong mag-tahi. And para ma-measure natin kung saan tayo mag-start, hanapin natin yung butas dito sa kabilang side. And
pantayin lang natin dito. So, ganito siya. And yung starting point natin sa kabilang side will be this one. Here. Butasin na natin siya. So, tahiin na natin to and this one. And then, start na tayo magtahi nung main body natin and yung side gussets natin. Okay? Or side panels. Right? Okay, again, we're done with the clip natin. So, we will be starting stitching the gusset. Medyo mahaba to, so please bear with me. And again, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and add a comment. And again, thank you to Nay and Ichan and to Kira for this one. And Division Clothing for this one. So, start na tayo. Okay, again, we will be stitching from here hanggang dito sa dulo ng body ng bag natin, like this. So since it will be like this one, after natin matahi, lalagyan natin ng butas dito sa middle ng body natin, ng body ng bag, para lagyan ng button screw natin na pang-lock. Okay? So, see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm currently stitching the corners of the gusset. And yung technique dito is hawakan nyo siya dito sa sides. And wag mo masyadong hatakin agad yung thread. So, bale dahan-dahan natin siya hanapin dun sa parang place niya, dun sa holes. And again, alalay lang dun sa thread natin. Okay, so I'm finally stitching the final panel or the last panel, yung gusset natin dito sa kabilang side. And again, if you're just new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also like, add a comment, so that we will know kung ano yung gusto mong makita sa susunod na projects natin. And this one again is the saddle stitch. Ito yung usual na ginagawa ng mga the leather craft who are doing their works by hand. Okay, so again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel. Okay, so we're finally done with our SMOOTHX EDC or everyday carry bag. So here's our EDC bag. This is how it looks in the back, sa side niya, and yung front. And syempre, yung SMOOTHX natin. Okay, again, to open this, turn it first. Open it a bit this way. And turn sideways. Go back again. And ito na siya. So, bale, andito yung lumang phone ko. Ito gagamitin natin for sample reference on how to use. Bale, pantayin lang natin. Okay. Kailangan natin pantayin para hindi mahirapan yung motor. Okay, I think that's good. And then, ito yung open, on button. On natin. And there, pantay na siya. So to use this, you can use it like this. So kapag nag-video ka, parang ganito, ikot siya. There's so many modes to follow. Yun yung sa next video natin since di ko pa siya masyadong natatry. Well, like this lang, sample. And yung pinaka-best na gusto ko dito is meron kang selfie mode. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Alright. That's it. And tago natin, turn it off. Okay, let's remove your phone. Ikot lang. Oops, kabilang side, sorry. And that's it. We're done. And here's our ZHIYUN SMOOTH X. And here is our EDC bag or Smooth EDCX. And let's close it. And we're good to go. That's it. Thank you for watching.